So we've got this safe that needs to be put back in working order. Someone's taken the locks off already. Probably put on another safe, but I found some locks that we can fit on there, just an older model and a slightly new model. But the first thing to do is to cut keys to these two back pan locks, so flat steel locks. These are actually a union lock, so I've got a master key for these. So I'll duplicate that master key, because we're going to have to give a key to a customer, because it is going to go key lock and mechanical comm. So I like to fit my mechanical comms at the top so you can see them when you're dialing. Okay, let's crack on, cut them keys first. Okay, so I've adjusted the makeup key and it goes in. Okay, so if we look in that hole, that window, we'll be able to see the levers align and that post will start to travel. So although it's not travelling all the way across at the minute, that's because it's a tight gate. So from that I'll be able to cut the key. So we cut the key and we'll hand finish it. Okay, so I duplicated the key. I've just put a black felt tip pen over the edges. So I want to see if there's anything obvious. So that's quite stiff to turn. Let me hold a lot. It will go, but it's not happy. So it's either something's too high, or sometimes you need to get the some of these deep cuts wider. Nothing obvious. Okay, Karen and Justin. Cut and adjusted the key. Turned out it was that lever was touch high, or at the cut position, and that cut position was touch high. So now it looks nice and smooth. Okay, it's really nice and tight on there as well. So duplicate another key, and then we need to fit it back to the safe. I put a combination lock on there. So we've got, but that hole is too small. So we're going to have to open that up. So we'll put the drill on it and make it bigger. This is your standard style lock. And we're going to put on a combination lock, so we're going to use this conversion kit because the lock is smaller. So that's what we're going for. So the key we made, our lock's been fitted. That's open, it's still locked. And the combination we fitted. So factory code I like to leave these on is number 50. 50, 10 to open, 10 the handle. Make sure it all locks up. Okay, so that's locked. Back into working order. So we've got a shelf too, so if you didn't have a shelf up, we'll have to sort one of them out. Okay, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button.